In Angular, we often working with elements that are input elements. So that means that we can write some value in that elements, and we need way to get value from this input element and to write value inside. So for that purpose, in Angular, there is something that we call two-way binding. The syntax for two-way binding is a combination of square brackets and parentheses. It combines the syntax from property binding and the syntax for event binding. The Angular community informally refers to this syntax as banana in box. Inside these parentheses, we need to put ngModel directive, and also here we need to assign state, which we want to update. In our case will be name, and if we press save, we will get some errors. Property name does not exist, and also can bind to ngModel. So we need to import this directive in code and also define this property. Let's go here. We need to add here forms module, because inside this module we have our ngModel directive, and also here we will define our name property. It is string and could be undefined. Okay. This question mark will tell compiler that this property name will not have initially value. And now if we save and scroll down this terminal, we will see that everything is okay and we don't have any more errors. And let's go in template again, and let's describe once again how this works. When input value is changed inside this input field, this property name will be updated, and also in opposite direction, when name is changed, value in our input element will be changed also. And to see that, we can print here our name property and watch what will be happen in moment when we type something in input field. And let's go in browser and let's write something here. And we can see every time when we type something inside input field, our value in property will be updated. And to make this more clear, let's add here in template one button. Change name, and on click we will update our name property, and let's define this method inside code here. We will add new value inside this name property, new value, save, and if we go inside browser here and write first test and click on this button, we will see our property will be updated. Also, our input value is updated because we are using two-way binding. You can see once again here in template, we are using two-way binding with ngModel, and input value is synchronized with value in this property name. So that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.